Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. Now, this process normally would remove a screen lock, but for some reason I can't really seem to get it to actually boot into recovery mode when you forcibly shut it off. So I guess I'll try it, and if it fails, I'm just going to go back to normal. Now, if you have a screen lock that you know the pattern to, then simply power off the device. You can do it by just pulling down the notification panel, selecting power off and tapping on it. But if you are on a screen lock, like right here, so when the device is locked and you try to do the same, it will tell you to draw the pattern. So I'm gonna try it off without actually drawing the pattern. Now, you do need a cable for this. As you can see, I have one right over here, plugged into your computer. There we go. And there's the computer. Okay, so from here, when the device is, what was that? Start something, no, cancel that. So when the device is on and in a lock screen, I'm gonna try to actually remove the screen lock. So power key and volume down. This will force restart the device. Let's try that now, and then switch to volume up. And I believe it's already going for too long, so this didn't work. Yep. Now, if for you it went into the recovery mode, then that's great. Then you can actually remove a screen lock. But for me, as you've seen, it did not do such a thing. So I'm gonna turn it off normally with actually inserting a pattern to turn it off. So I'm gonna unplug it just for the sake of it. Okay, so now that it's off, re-plug it in and hold power key, volume up. And there we go. This will take me to the recovery mode now. So from here, what you want to do is, while using volume keys, scroll down and select Wipe Data Factory Reset. And then press power key to confirm it, and then again let's select factory data reset and confirm that. Then at the bottom you should see data wipe complete as a last entry, at which point reboot system now will be selected by default. So let's press power key once more, and this will initiate the reboot of the phone, which in turn also it will continue the reset of the device in the background while it's booting back up. Now, once the process is completely finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. Now, as you can see, the process is basically finished, so we can unplug it, and there we go, we are now completely finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.